Hey, it's Chris from Upshift. Today we're going to be installing this Yoshimura Fender Eliminator Kit on the 2019 Honda 450L. So this is the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator Kit. As you see it, this is it. All you have to do is wire it into your factory harness, or you can purchase the aftermarket OEM plug on Yoshimura's website that makes it clean and simple. So we're just going to make a quick solder here and put these heat shrink tubes around it so we keep moisture out. So we're going to take these two heat shrink tubes, slide them up both of our connections. We're going to heat those up, and then to get a complete seal, we're going to take this one and slide it over the both of them. There you have it. To pull off the stock fender, you just need 3 tools: 10mm, flathead small to pull the plugs off, and a Phillips. So the first thing you want to do is take the seat off. So once you get the seat off, you're going to take the fender off using a Phillips head screwdriver. So after you get the fender off, what you want to do is find the plug for the license plate light, which is brown and green right there. What you're going to need to do is use this small screwdriver to pull this tab up, and it slides right out. Once you got those disconnected, you're going to pull that wire right through the fender and then ready to drop the whole piece. So we pulled out this wire. Now we have to take off these 4 10mm bolts. So now that you got your fender off, you're going to feed your new connector all the way through. What you want to do is use the same stock 4 10mm bolts and spacers to put the kit back up into place. So once you've installed the kit, you just want to plug this wire in where we took it out, put this flap over it, nice and tidy, reinstall the fender, and then reinstall the seat, and you're good to go. Well, there you have it. Here's the Fender Eliminator Kit by Yoshimura. Looks pretty clean.